LOD we are going to discuss. LOD stands for level of detail. So whatever the details we are seeing, that all depends upon what dimensions are going on the screen. So Tableau LOD expression talks about, it is a method used to compute the aggregations that are not at the level of detail of the visualization. What exactly it means? Let me explain you. Like whatever you are dragging and dropping on the visualization, that visualization will decide the data to how much it will split. So let me load the data and let me show you. Very small topic this is, but very complicated topic. You have to focus a lot on understanding syntax and all. Very easy, the only concept wise it is complicated. Excel. Drag and drop the orders. Click on the sheet.